Remove the X-Dome from the bag by pulling the cover over the top. Using 2 people, hold the legs and pull them apart slightly. Hold the bottom cross braces. Lift the frame and walk back until the legs have opened to the full 3 meters width. Stand at adjacent legs with a foot on a base plate. Pull the ring and raise the leg until you hear a firm click. Repeat on each of the 4 legs. Step inside the X-Dome. With 1 foot on the base plate, push up on the 45-degree strut coming from the leg slider until the slider clicks into place. Repeat on all 4 legs. Step outside and continue raising the legs until at the desired height. Each X-Dome comes standard with 4 weight bags, guy ropes and pegs to be used on each corner. Regardless of the weather, always ensure that the X-Dome is securely tied down and anchored with the weight bags. Please note, do not attempt to put up a gazebo in excessive wind.